Good morning, friends. It's Dayna from Nellie DeeCee Crochet. Today I want to show you how to do two simple types of slip knots. Well, as you might know, if you've watched some of my other videos, both of my grandmothers taught me how to crochet when I was a little girl, and they taught me how to make a slip stitch this first way I'm going to show you, and I've never seen anybody else do it like this, but it just makes a lot of sense when you're first starting, like a chain, several chains when you're first starting out a project. So I've got some worsted weight yarn, and this happens to be an H hook, but it doesn't matter what kind of hook you have, whatever your project calls for. So I'm right-handed when I crochet, although I'm left-handed when I write. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. So hold your yarn in your left hand, and with your hook going in the direction that you're pointing, put your hook in the yarn, under the yarn, and turn it all the way around like that. See how I did that? Then you're going to hold on right here at the end and try not to let your yarn get tight, or else it's difficult to pull your hook through. Then twist your hook around, go under the loose yarn, turn your hook down, and pull it through. And there you have a slip knot. And then you can just continue your chain. Okay? I'll do that again. So you've got your yarn like this with the loose end facing this way and your open hand, and you're holding on to your yarn like so, and you put your hook in the direction that you're pointing, turn it all the way around, grab the end of the little knot section, turn your hook, yarn over, and pull it through. And you can pull it just a little bit tighter, and then continue your chain. Okay, and it makes a neat little beginning of your crochet, of your chain. I'll do it one more time. So you're going to hold your yarn loose end like this. Put your hook in the direction that you're pointing, and turn it all the way around. Then hold on here at the end where the little knot is. It's not really a knot. And then yarn over, turn your hook, and pull it through. Then you can pull your knot just a little bit tighter and continue your chain. See, isn't that easy? Now, if you're already in the middle of a project and you need to add a different color, then you do a different type of slip knot. And I do mine like this. I had to think it through because I do it without thinking, and I thought, well, how do I demonstrate? So I wrap it around my finger. I poke the long end through the circle and pull it through like that. And then you have a slip knot like that. So if you want a tighter version like this slip knot, even to start a chain, you can do it that way. But I like my grandmama's ways, and so I do it their way when I start a chain. But this way is if you're adding new color to a project, you just wrap your yarn around your finger, remove it from your finger. Now you've got, it looks like this. You bring your yarn under and through the loop and pull it tight. See? One more time. I wrap the yarn around my finger, So it's like this. Poke the yarn through from underneath and pull it tight. See? Isn't that easy? So now you've got two ways of doing a slip stitch depending on if you're starting a new project from a chain. You can do it my grandmother's way, or you can do it the second way that I showed you if you are adding a new color to your project. So I hope this was helpful, and I'm Dayna from Nellie DeeCee Crochet, and I'll see you on another video. Bye-bye.